Come on and teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the others to swim properly. Might as well sit for a bit longer. Sat for so long, a few days more won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Last one to the lakes of Coot. Hey, head for me!
What a roll, only good for keeping eggshells warm. On the whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg could fall into my nest. He's just a freak of nature, just a larger grade of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different